strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you?
Alright. Tere, tú eres mi mundo. You're the most amazing person I've ever met. You're beautiful, outgoing, and sometimes funny. I promise to love you every day of my life and create fun-filled memories with you and Loquito. And I promise to let you know that you're super awesome and you're pretty and I love you.
Aarik, I can't help but thank God for blessing me with you. From the moment you entered my life, you have brought so much happiness. Nothing has been easy, but we sure have fought through it all. I love you, and even the parts you don't. I stand in front of you and all the people closest to us to promise you to love you on the highest points in our life and not so great times. You have been the greatest blessing, and I'm so thankful to spend the rest of my life with you. Te amo, Aarik.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. Only this matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes. so